Welcome to AsiaEBuy Sales channel. This year, AsiaEBuy Prosperity Sales will be held for consecutive 3 weeks from 11th of January to 2nd of February. Tons of benefits awaits you. Be reminded of CNY Opening Sales on the 11th of January. You will get a special gift for every order clocked in. Do not miss this. You will also enjoy other benefits during the whole promotion period. During Prosperity Sales, customers are entitled for extra 5% discounts, full house, 75,000 items. Free shipping will be available for purchase value RM200 and above within West Malaysia. Next, customers will collect Prosperity coins automatically. Every purchase will be rewarded coins equivalent to 1%. New register gets 1,000 coins and refer a friend gets 1,000 coins. Coins in your coin bank can be redeemed as discounts at any time. Do not miss AsiaEBuy's Prosperity Sales. Available in all e-commerce platforms: Lazada, Shopee, AsiaEBuy and all retails agent nationwide. From January 11th to February 2nd. Happy prosperity and enjoy your shopping experience with AsiaEBuy.